deeper issues like CDN blocking, corrupted asset manifests, and device-level conflicts. Advanced fix, step-by-step. Number 1, force fresh asset manifest, important. This error often happens when the game's download manifest is corrupted. Do this. 1, uninstall the game. 2, go to Android, internal storage, Android data. 3, delete any leftover folder named com.ubisoft Resurgence or similar. 4, restart phone. 5, reinstall the game. This forces the game to fetch a clean download configuration. 2, fix CDN ISP blocking, very common in some regions. Sometimes your ISP blocks or throttles Ubisoft's download servers. Solution, turn off VPN first, then try use Cloudflare DNS, primary 1.11.1, secondary 1.0.1, or use a temporary VPN only for download. Connect to Germany, Singapore, start download once it begins, turn VPN off. This bypasses blocked CDN routes, causing the dynamic batch error. Number 3, lock network to stable band, Android Advanced. Unstable switching 4G, 5G Wi-Fi breaks batch downloads. Do this. Enable airplane mode off. Connect only to strong Wi-Fi or stable 4G. Disable 5G temporarily. Optional. Advanced users dial ##mev 436 tap set preferred network type LTE only. 4. Disable battery optimization, critical. Android may kill background download threads. Fix. Settings, apps, The Division Resurgence, battery set to unrestricted / no limits. 5. Fix split download failure, Play Store issue. Sometimes the base game installs, but extra files fail silently. Fix using Google Play Store. 1. Open Play Store. 2. Search the game. 3. Tap uninstall, then install again. 4. Do not open immediately. 5. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then launch. Ensures all asset modules are properly staged. Number 6, reset network stack. This clears hidden conflicts. Android, settings, system reset, reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. iPhone via App Store installs, settings, general, transfer or reset, reset network settings. Number 7, check background data restrictions. If disabled, downloads fail midway. Settings, apps, The Division Resurgence, enable, background data, unrestricted data usage. Number 8, change download location, hidden fix. Some phones fail writing large chunks. If supported, switch storage location, internal SD card, or ensure storage is not near full, keep 8 to 10 GB free. Number 9, developer mode fix, advanced users, improves download stability. Enable developer options. Turn off, don't keep activities, turn on, Wi-Fi scan throttling off if available. Number 10, last resort, 100% fix method. If nothing works, the issue is likely server region related. Do this combo. 1, reinstall game. 2, connect VPN, Singapore recommended. 3, launch game, start download. 4, after 5 to 10% progress, turn off VPN. 5, let it finish normally. This works in most stuck forever cases. Pro insight, why this error happens. Dynamic batch download failed equals game fails to fetch chunked asset files from Ubisoft CDN. Caused by broken manifest, network interruption, region-based CDN blocking, OS killing background download threads. If still